What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the funniest collection of moments from the Big Bang Theory, a show that somehow termed comic books, superheroes, science debates, and social awkwardness into comedy gold. If you have ever wondered what happens when a group of brilliant scientists take comic books way too seriously, this episode compilation is the perfect answer. Right from the start, the gang divides into a classic near debate: Batman versus Superman. Now, for most people, this would be a quick conversation, but for Sheldon and others, it becomes a full-scale analysis. Batman could use kryptonite. Batman could outsmart Superman. Every possibility gets discussed with complete seriousness, and that's one of the reasons this show works so well. The writers understand nerd culture and fully commit to it. The character do not treat these conversations as jokes. They treat them like world-changing debates that think get even funnier when group start discussing comic book creators and superheroes. Name Howard question why so many comic book characters have matching first and last initial. Suddenly we are hearing names like Peter Parker, Reed Richard, Bruce Banner, and countless other. What start as a single observation quickly become as a obsessive and rant. The funniest part is not even the argument itself, it's how everyone knows Howard should stop talking, but he simply cannot help himself. That a recurring theme throughout the series. These characters are intelligent enough to understand they are making things worse, yet they keep going anyway. And speaking of making things worse, Raj accidentally reveals that Penny has been secret moving Sheldon collection into storage for a collector. That's basically a nightmare scenario. Watching Sheldon slowly realize that some of his prized procession and missing is absolutely hilarious. His reaction feels dramatic and completely over the top, which somehow makes even funnier. And another standout moment comes when the group start discussing Wolverine, a simple comic book disagreement turns into a heated argument about whether Wolverine original had bone claws only. On the Big Bang Theory, could a debate over comic book continuity become a serious intellectual battle? The best part is that Sheldon approaches these arguments with complete confidence, even when everyone else thinks he is wrong. He refuses to back down. Then we move into another classic topic: relationship. Leonard and Penny are navigating their romance, and naturally the guys turn into turn it into a discussion about expectation, awkwardness, and dating disaster. What makes these scenes works is the contrast between Leonard's attempt to be mature and Friend's complete inability to take anything seriously. Raj, Howard, and Sheldon instantly transform a personal conversation into a comedy roast. And honestly, some of the biggest laugh entire series come from these moments where the character expose each other insecurities. The superhero discussing continue when the gang start questioning why Batman still uses the bat single. One character suggests texting him instead. Now logical that makes sense, but logic has never stopped comic book fans from defending tradition. The conversation quickly turns into another hilarious argument that somehow becomes way more complicated than it needs to be. And that's really the secret formula of this show. Take a simple question, add Sheldon, wait 5 minutes. Now you have got a 20-minute debate involving science, comic book, history, and several hurts feelings. One of the favorite sections involves the endless Superman arguments. The group starts discussing how Superman could realistically save Lois Lane from falling. Most people would simply expect that Superman catches her, not Sheldon. He immediately calculates acceleration, impact forces, and the physics involved. According to him, Lois Lane would basically be sliced apart by the rescue attempt. It's ridiculous. It's absurd, and somehow it sounds scientifically convincing. That's what makes Sheldon such an entertaining character. He applies real world scientific reason to completely fictional situation. The result is comedy gold. Then the conversation somehow evolves into Kryptonian suite. Kryptonian dry cleaning, and whether Superman could remove stains from his costume. At this point, the discussing has moved so far away from reality that even the other character give up. But Sheldon never Sheldon never at this moment ever other character give up. But Sheldon never does, and that's why fans love him. Another memorable sequence feature costume party shows. Every day wants to be the false. Everyone has a backup costume, and somehow a simple costume disagreement becomes a major crisis. The humor here comes from how seriously the characters treat things that most people would consider trivial. To then choosing the right superhero costume is practically a life decision. Beyond the jokes, this compilation highlights something important about the Big Bang Theory. The show is not really about science. It is not really about comics book, and it is not even really about superheroes. At its core, it's about friendship. These characters spend countless hours arguing, te- teaching and annoying each other, but underneath all of that, a genuine loyalty, no matter how ridiculous the argument becomes, they always come back together. That's what keeps this audience invested year after year. Overall, this collection perfectly captures everything that made the Big Bang Theory a massive success. The rapid fire jokes, the superhero reference, the scientific overthinking, the awkward social interaction, and of course, Sheldon Cooper turning every conversation into a full scale intellectual battle. If you are a fan of geek culture, comic book, science fiction, or just smart comedy in general, these moments remind you exactly why the show became such a Superman. So, what do you think? Who right in the Batman versus Superman debate? And more important, would Superman debate when reality need Kryptonian dry cleaning? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you enjoy if you enjoy this review video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. So like and subscribe and share his friend more and more, and don't forget to about in comment. Thank you.